So if you've got a whole bunch of video content in your Facebook and you don't have that content anywhere else, then you need to start downloading that video content so that you can leverage it across all the other social media platforms and YouTube. Because guess what? No one can find it unless they already know about you. They can't search for that content like they can search for it in YouTube and find your video content. So let's not waste any more time, and I'll show you exactly how you can do this.
Okay, so here we are on my Facebook page. So you go to the video option on the left hand side. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose this lovely video. Okay, so if you right mouse click on the video screen, it says show video URL. There it is. Then I'm going to copy, copy all of that by doing Control C, and you'll see I've got a tab already open here, which is this one here, www.video-fb, obviously for facebook.com/download.php. And you'll come to a page like this. The advert will change, but up here where it says get link, in this grey box is where you then Control V, paste that link, and then click get link, and there it is. That's the video. And then at the bottom here, well, you can play it, and then you've got all these other options. I'm going to click onto download. It is now downloading as we speak. And there you go, you can see it downloading there at the bottom left corner of my screen. And it's as simple as that. That will then pop up in my file, and that's it. You can then upload it to your YouTube channel.
So there you have it. That's how you download your video from Facebook. It really is that simple. Tell me how you got on, and write in the comments below if you found this useful, or if you found a better way of doing this same thing. I'd love to hear from you too. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you always get to see when I've got new video content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.